Hey everybody, what's up? It's time for Art Mama Moves, another 100 Mondays. And as you can see, I've continued the wall, filling it in a bit more. As you can see, there's more of a bottom of the hill to Rohan, but not quite. I'm still going to be filling in houses in the bottom part and then the rocks and all that. And then I'll hopefully after that add some paint. So I'll see you guys next time. Hey, what's up everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I've continued the 16 by 20 commission, put in a little more detail to the red rope of Rahab or Rahab. It's an Old Testament story. Or if you also read like into Judaism, it's a story from the Torah. Is it from the Torah? Well, actually, it's the book of Joshua, so it's after the Torah, after the first 5 books. Anyway, as you can see, there's pencil work still continuing here, putting a little more detail into the palm trees and one of the walls, and I also have the moon out, and a thing of a little plant with vase with plants and stuff there. So yeah, as you can see, I'm putting more details in as it goes, and I'll be adding acrylic paint later on. And once again, for 100 Mondays, I've started working on a 36 by 48 canvas. This is going to be a monochrome piece. It's going to be awesome when it's penciled in more. But yeah, so you guys, I guess, will stay tuned for more next week. See you guys next time.